Hi everyone, this is Anjul Pathak and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to create waffle chart in Tableau. So just dive in. Now this is a waffle chart, and here if you see there are 10 rows and 10 columns. So basically this is a 10 by 10 grid which we need to create first in Excel. So we create a data like this wherein we have row, column and percentage, and one row, one column basically correspond to one grid, one cell or one block in this grid, which will be 1%. Likewise, each block will be 1%, and so we create a 10 by 10 grid over here representing 1 to 100%. Okay, once this Excel is prepared, we will go to Tableau. Okay, we will pull this sheet in Tableau. And you see that since column and row were numbers, so Tableau has by default put them in measures, but we want them to be converted to dimension. So I'll convert both of them as dimension. Now drag column in columns and row in rows. So we see that our grid for waffle chart is ready. I'll convert the percentage default properties as percentage, maybe to one decimal place. And now I'll connect to my dataset from where I want to pull a KPI to be displayed in the waffle chart. So in this case, I'll be using the Superstore sample dataset. I'll provide the link to download both these Excel files in the description of this video. Now, let's say I want to display profit percentage KPI on this waffle chart. So I'll create that field first. So profit percentage, it will be basically the sum aggregation of profit. Okay, profit divided by sum of sales. This will give me the profit percentage. Okay, and now I'll drag this field on detail. Okay, I want that to be considered in the view, so I put it in detail. And let me also change the format of this field. So change the default format, go to percentage, one decimal, click OK. Okay, now I need some way to basically separate the coloring in waffle chart for my KPI. So that will happen using a Boolean field. Now I'll go here and create a Boolean field. Let's say colored square maybe, and this will be to check if my profit percentage is greater than or equal to the percentage of each block in the grid. Okay, that so this has to be aggregated. Since this field is aggregated, we want this to be aggregated. Okay, just press OK and drag this to color. Yeah, so you see now that because of this Boolean condition, now only those boxes are colored differently where we have conditions satisfying specified in the calculated field. Okay, so but to adjust this chart as a waffle chart, this size option doesn't work. Okay, what we'll have to do is create a dummy axis over here. So for each of these values of the column header, we need a dummy axis. So we'll create an ad hoc calculation here. We'll just double click on this, and we'll create an ad hoc calculation called as average of 1. Okay, now this will create an axis for each of the values of this header. Okay, so see, now we have got an axis, and just edit this axis and specify it to range from 0 to 1. Okay, so every axis will be from 0 to 1 only. Now once this is done, you can increase the size. Okay, and now introduce the borders using colors. So go here and let's say borders I want is white. Okay, and then reduce the boxes width. Okay, I want a bit more or less. Yeah, now this looks some sort of a waffle. Now just go to axis, and I don't want it as a header, so uncheck show header. uncheck include in tooltip. Similarly for columns, I don't want it in header, so remove that. Remove from in tooltip also. Rows also remove from header, remove from tooltip. Okay, and this could be say profit percentage. Okay, maybe I want this as blue, tableau bold, maybe something like that. Okay, maybe I'll stick to left orientation only, and I will change the colors also. So false, I want suppressed color, maybe I'll choose gray, and then this maybe green. Okay, and I want this to start from the bottom, so I'll go to row and change the sort. So let's change it to descending. It will start from bottom. Okay, and another thing is that I want to display the profit percentage KPI over here, somewhere here. So let's click here and go to annotate mark. Okay, so use this to bring up the KPI value, and I want only the profit percentage value. So just I'm selecting the profit percentage, and let's format that tableau bold. Maybe I'll take 18 or maybe 20 size, and color is dark black. Okay, and now you see, but this is looking very distorted with the box, so I'll just click here and go to format. I don't want shading, none, borders none, and line also none. Okay, and just drag this somewhere in middle. Yeah, now this looks good, and I'll also color this column dividers as white. So just click here in this area and go to format to format the area, and go to this borders. Okay, borders, and go to row divider as white. Okay, we'll select as white, and column divider as white. Okay, and now you see a nice waffle chart over here, which represents the profit percentage KPI for the entire table. And similarly, you can create other waffle charts for say each region or maybe each department, and then bring in all the waffle charts into one dashboard representing the important KPIs. So this is a good way to represent your KPI in waffle chart. Hope you found this video useful. So thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel to remain updated with my new videos. See you again next time. Thank you.